Cha, 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 Igbo kwene, owe. Cha, 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 Igbo kwene, owe. Cha, 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 Igbo kwene, owe. Abia kwene, owe. Anambra kwene, owe. Ebonyi kwene, owe. Enugu kwene, owe. Imo kwene, owe. Nigeria kwezuono. Wajam. Yes, we've come to another segment. Before we continue, let me properly introduce myself. I'm your host, Mr. B.O., a full-fledged Igbo song and teacher of Igbo language, culture, and tradition, including general issues that affect our lives in the country or in the society. Okay, I know most of you understand, or rather all of you understand the reason I usually use Nigeria to end the hailing. Nigeria, other states that are not mentioned are in Nigeria. So I wouldn't be able to mention each state apart from these three integral states or the three main states or three ethnic groups, okay, in Nigeria. So other states are included in Nigeria. That's why Nigeria, I use Nigeria to finish the whole thing. So Nigeria, no. I use Nigeria in conclusion of my hailing. All right, so today we are going to talk about some Igbo sentences that start with vowels and their English translations. Yes, we're not going to take much time today. Just as I usually say in almost all my videos, let's learn everything about the Igbo. Please, if there's anything you do not understand, if you have any question to ask me, please feel free to do so. I'll be delighted to attend to your questions, and I'll make sure I give ultimate or utmost concern about your questions. I always answer them the way they should be answered. So I'm your host. Feel free to ask questions. It's my duty to deal with your questions while it's your duty to ask questions. I've already told you I'm committed to making sure that you understand Igbo at the end of this program. You'll be able to speak Igbo much better than you have ever done in the past or you did in the past. In fact, you can even speak Igbo better than an Igbo native. Yes, an indigenous of Igbo or an Igbo person. So it all depends on determination. So all you have to do is to keep pushing forward. Learn the alphabet, master the words or the letters contained, when the words or the letters contained in the Igbo alphabet, then you should be able to know how to use words from the Igbo alphabet as well, how to make sentences, how to make adage, how to make idioms, how to understand them when they are made. In fact, you will all get to know all this if you're able to understand the alphabets very well. But before we continue, let's recite our national anthem, the Igbo alphabet. Okay, let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, W, I, E, G, K, P, Q, L, M, N, N, O, P, R, S, Š, T, U, V, W, Z. Again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, W, I, E, G, K, P, Q, L, M, N, N, O, P, R, S, Š, T, U, V, Z. All right, let's move forward. Okay, now, some sentences like Anyị na-eri nri. Anyị na-eri nri means we are eating in English. Anyị means we. Eating, na-eri nri. We are eating. Anyị na-eri nri. Or anyị na-eri nri, the meaning in English is we are eating. The other one is Onye ka ị bụ. In English, it means who are you? The other one is abum onye uwoji. Abum onye uwoji. Abum onye uwoji. In English, it means I am a police officer. The fourth one, ago na agum. In English, it means I am hungry. I am hungry. Ago is hunger. Okay, when it's used in this pretext, it means you now use hungry instead of hunger. So it's going to be I am hungry. Ago na agum. The other one is odemma. Just like when you see someone and asks the person. When you see someone and asks the person, how are you? The person replies by saying odemma, means it's fine. It's good. Okay? The other one is ademma. There are two. One is odemma. The other one is ademma. The one of odemma starts with o. The other one of ademma starts with a. Odemma means is good, is fine. Then ademma means I am fine, I am good. Okay? I'm very well. All right. The other one is ahambu usita. Ahambu usita. Aha there means name in English. Osita is the name of a person. Aham Osita means my name is Osita. My name is Osita. The other one is Abum Obenye. Abum Obenye. Abum Obenye means I am poor. I am poor. I am poor. Abum Obenye. Or I'm a poor person. I'm a poor person. Could be a poor man or a poor woman. All right, take a look at the words here. So you can see this one. No. Anyine rinri. No. So look at them here. Anyine rinri. We are eating. The other one is Onyeka Ebo. Who are you? The other one is Abum Onye Uwoji. I am a police officer. Uwoji means police officer. Uwoji written together means police officer. The other one is Ago Nagum. Ago Nagum, meaning I am hungry. See the indicators here. Don't worry, you will get to know more about them. Odemma means it is fine or it is good. The other one is Ahambo Osita. Ahambo Osita. Aha is name. Osita is the name of the person. Bo is. Ahambo Osita. Okay? Abum Oboye. I am poor or I'm a poor person. Abum Oboye. Oboye is poor. Poor or poverty. Okay? So that's just it. All right, guys. Just as I usually say, learning is a continuous process. You cannot know everything from day one. It just takes gradual process. You keep knowing, you keep longing to know, you keep showing interest to know. So as long as you're interested in something, all you have to do is to put all your energy in it. Okay, when you put all your energy or your focus in it, so you'll be able to achieve a lot. No language is impossible to learn. All it requires is continuity. You have to be continuous. Trying to master the alphabets, know when they are used, how they are used. Okay, so I will come to all that. Making sentences, telling you names of things you should know. Okay, while I do that, you also engage yourself in studying the alphabet. If you don't understand the alphabet, you won't be able to understand Igbo language. Alphabet is the foundation, the basics, the rudiments. So once you're able to conquer them, you'll be able to be perfect. In fact, your communication will be second to your communication in Igbo language will be second to none. It will be incomparable. But you cannot achieve all that if you have that lackadaisical attitude towards Igbo language. We have a lot to talk about the Igbo, but first of all, you have to understand the language if actually you're keen about it. So if you understand the language, you will be able to know some other things that follow the language. Because when you understand the language of a people, that's number one. It's a great pass mark. Then what follows is your ability to know when there certain words in that language are used and what they actually mean. Right? Then another thing that follows is your ability to make proverbs, that is adage, make idioms, and understand them when they are made or when they are written. So if you're able to understand all this, you will go far in that particular tribe's language. So a lot of people would say Igbo language is the most difficult. But I say no language is easier than the other. They are all, in the same category. Even though I'm an Igbo man, yes, I speak and write Igbo very well. Okay? Yeah, that doesn't mean that if some other person who is not an Igbo wants to understand Igbo and follows the rudiments, he or she will not be able to do so, to understand it. At the end, the person will be able to perfect the language, the Igbo language. So he or she will have full mastery of the language. That's the way it is. There are no two ways about that. So it's not magical. Always note that. We have a long way to go, but we have to keep taking one step at a time. All right, before we take our leave, let's sing our national anthem. Abichidi efigi gbigwi eji kekpekwele meni nwenyi ope reseshi di viwiyeze. See you some other time, guys. That's all for today, folks. Bye.